Yeah, hi. In today's video, we are going to be looking at a site called Prime Opinion, and we're going to be finding out whether it is worth your time to actually sign up for free for Prime Opinion and get paid for taking surveys. I'm also going to do a payout proof, so make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this video, and you'll be able to tell whether it is worth your time and also whether Prime Opinion is going to be a site that you are going to want to use on a daily basis. Let's go and check out and do a full Prime Opinion review. Okay, so we've come on to the primeopinion.com. Now it says here you can sign up, you can get up to a £3.85 free bonus. In actual fact, you can actually, when you do sign up, you can actually choose which bonus you get. And it's very, very simple to do. So which countries can you actually use Prime Opinion in? Now, obviously, I have signed into the English, the United Kingdom one. But if you click on this, as you can see here, there are loads of other different options of countries. United States, Canada, Australia, Germany, France, Netherlands, Spain, Belgium, and so on. As you can see, there are many other countries here that you can actually register with Prime Opinion and start to get paid for surveys. Once you've chosen it and signed up, you can also sign up with Google or with Facebook as well. You can earn up to $4 per survey. Okay, so it says here the average user earned £8.75 yesterday. So if you come in here on a daily basis, you should be able to earn at least £20 or £30 or $20 or $30, $40 every single month just by taking surveys. So I went and tested it out and tried to find out exactly what it was all about. So let's go and check out a little bit more. As you can see here on Trustpilot, it's got 436 reviews, which isn't a fantastic amount, but it has got a 4.5 rating, which is excellent. And it is a verified company. It has claimed their profile as well. So obviously I went and signed up. Let's dive into the back of Prime Opinion and show you how it actually operates. Okay, so I've come into the back of my account here, Prime Opinion. As you can see, I have mounted 677 points. And we've got here, you've got where you can select your rewards, and we're going to be showing you that very shortly in this video of how you can actually withdraw from Prime Opinion. Now, there are various ways that you can obviously earn, and most of those ways are short surveys. You do, once you've actually gone through and done a few surveys, you will also unlock the leaderboard. Now, the leaderboard will give you more points if you can actually get in the top of this leaderboard. Now, today I've just gone in and just done literally a few surveys, and I've got 487 points that I've earned today. Now, the top earners today have actually earned, so this guy has actually earned over 30,000 points, which is actually going to get him 10,000 points. Now, remember, these are monthly figures, so obviously this is what he's earned so far this month, and we are on the 19th of July, so he's just over halfway through. This, I say, is the monthly leaderboard, and it says here the prize pool is at the moment is 143,000 points. Now, of course, you don't have to get to the top of the leaderboard. You can get further down as well, and they still give you points. As you can see here, they've got listed here up to the first at least 50 people. It does show you that these people are eligible and are making quite a lot of money each month by doing surveys. And that is all you can do on the Prime Opinion. Okay, there is only one other way that you can actually get points as well, and that is by doing what they call a 5-day streak. Okay, and this means you've got to come in and you've actually got to do a survey every day for a week. And that will then, you will enter into a weekly streak draw, and you could earn up to 1,000 points. Like I say, there are just surveys here, so you've got no games, nothing like that to play, so they're purely and simply surveys. And you can obviously go for the best match surveys, so you're more likely, once you've filled in some details on your profile, etc., you're more likely to be accepted for these particular surveys. Plus, you've got short surveys as well. These are just some of these are just 3 or 4 minutes long. Or you've got ones that have got the most points. And again, these could range from country to country. So obviously we've got quite a lot in the UK, as you can see, loads of different surveys here that you could actually do. Now, you may not be accepted for all of them. That's how the survey sites actually work. You may not be accepted for everything, depending on what you are obviously the survey's about and what's on your profile. But like I say, I've just come in here and I've just done a few days where I've gone in, taken mainly the short surveys because I didn't want to be spending a lot of time on this. I just needed to get to a point where I could prove to you that we can actually pull out. And that's exactly what we're going to do now. So let's just go over and find out how we can select our reward, okay? So we just click on select our reward, and we obviously want to try and get a PayPal payment. And as you can see, it's from 650 points. So we've got 677. So that gives us the ability to withdraw. So all we do is literally click on the down arrow here, and then we can just choose £5, which will be 650 points. Press on the select button, and as you can see, it's been loaded up here. So actually we will be using 650 points, and all we need to do now is to claim that reward. Boom, and that's it. That's all we have to do, is just go and claim that reward. It says you will receive your reward via email within 30 minutes. And it says your reward is on its way. You'll receive your email in 30 minutes. Just click on OK. As you can see, my points level now has dropped to 27. And again, we can obviously just go in there and start taking more surveys. So we've literally got through straight away. We've got our email through. And it says here, obviously, Prime Opinion. And it says my name, obviously. And we're happy to send you the reward of £5. And obviously it says here to redeem your money, click this button. So we're going to do that. And as you can see here, this opens up, and all you've got to do then is redeem this figure here. And like I say, I'm coming to my PayPal account. So all I need to do now is literally fill in my PayPal details, which I'm going to do obviously off screen. Click on the transfer button. And there we go. There we are now, obviously have that money sent on our way to our PayPal account. And again, we will probably get an email very shortly telling us that has arrived. So it does take just a few minutes to actually get paid from Prime Opinion. It's all legit. It's obviously working, and very, very simple, very easy to start getting payments out. Low threshold as well, just $5 or £5 to be able to withdraw from Prime Opinion. All in all, what I've found out on Prime Opinion, surveys are okay. Yes, you're going to get accepted on a few of them. You will get obviously rejected on a few as well. Let us know if you've tried Prime Opinion in your country, and let us know whether you got paid out okay. As you can see here, I've got paid out really, really quickly, no problem, straight to PayPal. They do also have an app as well, so you can go and grab the app and make it even easier to obviously start taking surveys. You can do it straight from your mobile devices as well. But I'd certainly check out Prime Opinion. If you do want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description below here where you can just click on that link and go and sign up and start taking surveys straight away. But it's a great way to go and add just a few pounds every single month to your kitty. Basically, you're not going to be able to give up your day job, but you're certainly going to be able to earn 20, 30, maybe even £40 a month extra just with Prime Opinion. Okay, I trust you found this useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you will get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.